Data science in IT process management. Data science is about finding insights in large, mixed data sets. It uses techniques like machine learning, statistical analysis, and data visualization. Data science helps IT process management. Key applications of data science in IT process management. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses machine learning to analyze past data. It predicts potential system failures. By identifying patterns and anomalies, IT teams can fix issues before they escalate. This minimizes downtime and improves service reliability. Incident management. Data science can greatly improve incident management. It can automate detecting and classifying incidents. NLP algorithms can analyze ticket descriptions and route them to the right teams. This reduces resolution times and improves customer satisfaction. IT security. Data science plays a critical role in identifying security threats. It can detect anomalies that indicate cyber attacks. It does this by analyzing network traffic patterns and user behavior. This enables faster responses to security breaches. Benefits of integrating data science in IT process management. Enhanced efficiency, automation and predictive insights reduce manual work. This lets IT teams focus on strategic tasks and deliver services more efficiently. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Higher customer satisfaction comes from faster incident resolution, reliable services, and proactive problem solving. Proactive problem solving, real-time monitoring and predictive analytics help IT teams. They can fix issues before they impact end users. This boosts service quality. Cost savings. Predictive maintenance and capacity planning cut costs. They do this by preventing system failures and optimizing resource use. Conclusion. In conclusion, data science is transforming IT process management. It helps organizations to work more efficiently. It can predict and prevent issues, and it delivers better services. Despite some challenges, the benefits far outweigh the obstacles.